happy April. Here we are, it's springtime. And if you're like me, Easter has kind of snuck up on you. So here we are a few days before Easter, and I thought, well, I should put together a little something. And I'm kind of thinking for the girls. This should be like a little girls' day out. So here's an easy way, if you're like me and have not prepared Easter decor, here's an easy way to bring it together really quickly. So obviously Easter and springtime, we think fresh flowers, tulips really speak the spring language, and Easter. So these lovely bright colors. This little vase, I used a pink mason jar, and these tulips cut a little shorter because they're really ready to bloom right now. And these I left a little longer in the vase, a little more drama, a little more green, because they're just kind of peeking out. So, but layering these together makes a really nice tablescape, or on a nightstand, or a cocktail table, or in this case, a little vignette for your girlfriends. So, otherwise I pulled together some fun Easter snacks, Easter candy. Quick trip to Trader Joe's solved this whole problem. So Trader Joe's has these lovely pink and white cookies, which are really perfect and pretty on the Easter table. And they also have this fun little snack mix, which is called their Springle Jangle, I think it's called that. And it has a fun little mix of candy, so it's really great, looks great on the Easter table. So other things we have here, some pussy willows. Fun fact, I just learned, if you put them in water, they sprout. So I'm excited to plant these in a nice planter out in the backyard, and just have these on hand for florals inside whenever I want. So that's lovely, looks great in addition to the other flowers. Can't go wrong with bubbles. So here I pulled a Brut Rosé, again, perfect for spring and Easter and girlfriend time. A little pink, some little fun coupe glasses for the bubbles, colorful napkins, bring the spring theme together. I did pull out really quickly my little bunny to kind of really drive home the theme of Easter. But so here you see, you bring all the flowers together, some tall elements, shorter elements, fun snacks, display it all nice. This would look great on your kitchen island, on your dining table, or wherever you would like to entertain. So hope you guys have a wonderful Easter, happy spring, and we'll see you soon.